सकलपशुतिरस्तु हरि ओम मनोजूतिदुःखनामानिस्य बृहस्पतिर्यज्ञमिमन्त्रो वरितं यज्ञपुंसमिमं ददातु विश्वे देवास्तर्यमाजयन्तामो प्रतिष्ठाः सर्वाभ्युरीताभ्यो नमः प्रतिष्ठापनं समर्पयामि गणानां त्वा गणपतिं भवामहे प्रियाणां त्वा प्रियपतिं भवामहे निधीनां त्वा निधिपतिं भवामहे वसो मम आहमजानि गर्भधमा मजासि गर्भधं मायः शलिलानि दक्षिणपति विपति सा चतुष्पदी अष्टापदी नवपदी बभूभुषे सहस्राक्षरा परमे हरिकामिकाभ्यां नमोध्यायामि सर्वोपचारार्थी विद्धार्थं समर्पयामि गणपतिजात्मकं गन्धं कल्पयामि हम मातात्मकं पुष्पाणि कल्पयामि यं वायुवात्मकं धूपं कल्पयामि रमण्यात्मकं दीपं कल्पयामि वं ममतात्मकं नैवेद्यं कल्पयामि संसर्वात्मकं समस्तोपचारान् समर्पयामि कल्पयामि भगवती ओंकारानंद कामाक्षी नमः श्री भगवती राजमातंगीश्वरी श्री मीनाक्षी देवी नमः श्री भगवती दीपिका परमेश्वरी चामुंडी देवी नमः श्री भगवती पद्मावती देवी नमः श्री भगवान वेंकटेश्वराय नमः श्री ओंकारेश्वराय नमः सद्गुरु श्री स्वामी ओंकारानंदाय नमो नमः ध्यायामि पुष्पाणं समर्पयामि दिव्यो वेदान्तगम्यः सुलिपदपदवीं धार्यमाणः अद्वैत ज्ञान भूमिर निजन सुखदो सर्व विद्या प्रसादः स्वानंदे देव सर्वान् विजते परमं ज्ञानमानंद ग्रंथः ओंकारानंद योगिर विजते भवने किं शिवस्यावताराः नमस्कारान् समर्पयामि कृष्णाय नमो नमः कृष्णाय गोविन्दाय गोपीजनवल्लभाय नमो नमः वंशी विभूषितकरा नवनीरदाभा तंत्रोषध असस्त्राणि शंबर शंबर मृत्योर्मोचय मोचय ओम नमो भगवते महाप्रसन्नाय नमः श्री नारायणाय नमः श्री गोविंदाय नमः श्री वल्लभाय नमः श्री विष्टाय नमः श्री महाविष्णवे नमो नमः श्री कृष्णाय नमः गोविंदाय नमो नमः पुष्पेषु पूजयामि ओम महा
जय नंद लाला जय गोपाला जय नंद लाला जय जय श्री राधे गोविंदा मन भजले हरि का प्यारा नाम है श्री राधे गोविंदा मन भजले हरि का प्यारा नाम है गोपाला हरि का प्यारा नाम है नंद लाला हरि का प्यारा नाम है श्री राधे गोविंदा मन भजले हरि का प्यारा नाम है मुकुट सिर गलबन माला केसर तिलक लगाए केसर तिलक लगाए मोर मुकुट सिर गलबन माला केसर तिलक लगाए केसर तिलक लगाए वृंदावन की कुंज गलिन में सबको नाच नचाए ओह सबको नाच नचाए श्री राधे गोविंदा मन भजले हरि का प्यारा नाम है गोपाला हरि का प्यारा नाम है नंद लाला हरि का प्यारा नाम है श्री राधे गोविंदा मन भजले हरि का प्यारा नाम है जय नंद लाला जय गोपाला जय नंद लाला जय गोपाला बुध सारी। श्री राधे गोविंदा मन भजले हरि का प्यारा नाम है। गोपाला हरि का प्यारा नाम है, नंद लाला हरि का प्यारा नाम है। श्री राधे गोविंदा मन भजले हरि का प्यारा नाम है। जय नंद लाला जय गोपाला, जय नंद लाला जय गोपाला। गिरधर नागर कहती मीरा, सूर को श्यामल भाया, सूर को श्यामल भाया। गिरधर नागर कहती मीरा, सूर को श्यामल भाया, सूर को श्यामल भाया। तुकाराम और नामदेव ने विठ्ठल विठ्ठल गाया, ओह विठ्ठल विठ्ठल गाया। श्री राधे गोविंदा मन भजले हरि का प्यारा नाम है। गोपाला हरि का प्यारा नाम है, नंद लाला हरि का प्यारा नाम है। श्री राधे गोविंदा मन भजले हरि का प्यारा नाम है। जय नंद लाला जय गोपाला, जय नंद लाला जय गोपाला। राधा शक्ति बिना न कोई श्यामल दर्शन पावे, श्यामल दर्शन पावे। राधा शक्ति बिना न कोई श्यामल दर्शन पावे, श्यामल दर्शन पावे। आराधन कर राधे राधे कान्हा आगे आवे, ओह कान्हा आगे आवे। श्री राधे गोविंदा मन भजले हरि का प्यारा नाम है। गोपाला हरि का प्यारा नाम है, नंद लाला हरि का प्यारा नाम है। श्री राधे गोविंदा मन भजले हरि का प्यारा नाम है। जय नंद लाला जय गोपाला, 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 जय नंद
सांवरिया मीठी मीठी बाजे मधुर तेरी बांसुरिया।
सांवरिया मीठी मीठी बाजे मधुर तेरी बांसुरिया।
प्यारो लागे वृंदावन धाम, जहाँ है मेरो बांके बिहारी।
मीठो लागे वृंदावन धाम, जहाँ है मेरो कुंज बिहारी।
सांवरिया नाचे तन मन मोरा, बज जो तेरी बांसुरिया।
सांवरिया नाचे तन मन मोरा, बजे जो
प्यारो लागे वृंदावन धाम जहाँ है मेरो बांके बिहारी।
मीठो लागे वृंदावन धाम जहाँ है मेरो कुंज बिहारी।
तेरी मुरलिया मीठी मीठी बोले, भेद जीवन के सारे ही खोले।
तेरी मुरलिया मीठी मीठी बोले, मेरे जीवन के सारे ही खोले।
इसमें छिपा है गीता का ज्ञान,
इसमें छिपा है गीता का ज्ञान,
इसमें छिपा है सृष्टि का भान।
इसमें छिपा है सृष्टि का भान।
सांवरिया मीठी मीठी बाजे मधुर तेरी बांसुरिया।
सावरिया मीठी मीठी बाजे मधुर तेरी बांसुरिया।
प्यारो लागे वृंदावन धाम जहाँ है मेरो बांके बिहारी।
मीठो लागे वृंदावन धाम जहाँ है मेरो कुंज बिहारी।
नख ऊपर गोवर्धन धारो, इंद्र को मान भंग कर डारो।
नख ऊपर गोवर्धन धारो, इंद्र को मान भंग कर डारो।
ब्रिजवासिन को कष्ट निवारो,
ब्रजवासन को कष्ट निवारो।
लीलाधारी है मुरली वारो।
लीलाधारी है मुरली वारो।
सांवरिया मीठी मीठी बाजे मधुर तेरी बांसुरिया।
सावरिया मीठी मीठी बाजे मधुर तेरी बांसुरिया।
प्यारो लागे वृंदावन धाम जहाँ है मेरो बांके बिहारी।
मीठो लागे वृंदावन धाम जहाँ है मेरो कुंज बिहारी।
राधा के संग रास रचाए, यमुना तट पे गौएं चराए।
राधा के संग रास रचाए, यमुना तट पे गौएं चराए।
कर में मुरली कांवरकारी,
कर में मुरली कांवरकारी।
झांकी झरोखा में बांके बिहारी।
झांकी झरोखा में बांके बिहारी।
सांवरिया मीठी मीठी बाजे मधुर तेरी बांसुरिया।
सावरिया मीठी मीठी बाजे मधुर तेरी बांसुरिया।
प्यारो लागे वृंदावन धाम जहाँ है मेरो बांके बिहारी।
मीठो लागे वृंदावन धाम जहाँ है मेरो कुंज बिहारी।
सांवरिया मन मोरा बजे जो तेरी बांसुरिया।
लागे बिरज को धाम, जहाँ है मेरो रास बिहारी। देखो लागे वृंदावन धाम, जहाँ है मेरो कुंज बिहारी। देखो लागे वृंदावन धाम, जहाँ है मेरो बाके बिहारी।
Hari Om. Hari Om, Lord Krishna. My heartfelt adorations to all of you. You see, we prayed very much to Lord Krishna and said, there's a lot of rain going on. Please help and protect us. And Lord Krishna was very kind enough. He was listening to us, and actually only a small drop has come and nothing more. So very grateful to Lord Krishna that he has come and saved us from the rain. At least up to now, no rain is there, and the function could be done so beautifully. First of all, dear friends, let me give thanks, my heartfelt thanks, especially to our highly dedicated chief priest and our priest, our Suresh, Sanjay, Mukesh. They have made, with all other priests together, a wonderful altar here. They have made Bhajan Kirtan, and also there I felt Lord Krishna was in the middle over there. They have done a very wonderful job. From morning early, they have started to make all this preparation. I am very thankful to all of them. And thankful I am also to Somaji. She has switched over from Bharatanatyam to North Indian dance, a dance for Lord Krishna. And I felt she has done an extremely wonderful job here. And sometime I thought if we could open our third eyes, we could see how Lord Krishna is dancing with her together. Wonderfully, very well done, Somaji. Dear friends, we are just taking very simple. We read Bhagavad Gita, we speak of Lord Krishna, we go to temple. That's all well and good. But have we ever thought of the reason how tremendous suffering it is for an avatara come to this earth, from the timeless enter into the time? Very difficult. We cannot imagine what kind of sacrifice a guru is taking on his shoulder to be here and to help to release us. It is Lord Krishna, it is Lord Rama, it's Guru Nanak, name it anyone, it's Paramhams Omkarananda. They all have come. They all have taken a terrific pain, because to go in such a life is very, very difficult. To go from the timeless into the time, very difficult. Now you say, let's say anyone, let's say you ask a dog, would you like to become a human being? He will say, never. I'm so happy here. I can run away. I'm free. I like anything here. See, he lives in this conscious as a dog. Now we human individual, we are living in this conscious and feel, oh fine, we can have breakfast, we can eat, we can drive car and all these things here. But we are all in the time, and that helps us completely up. Why we should not go for realization? When we realize this, then we experience everything. Life of a dog, life of an ant, life of a human individual, life of a celestial, life of a Lord. Lord Krishna has come to sacrifice everything to help all of us for a realization of the truth. These great saints, sages and wise men, they have suffered terrifically. They were on the battlefield. Rama was been sent to the forest. It's not easy. We take a 14 years forest. Can we go just for 2 days into the forest and search for food and everything? Very difficult. All these people have taken up their pain, their struggle and everything for all of us. They have come to this life as a human being to be one to you and to tell you, look here, you have to do this here. We have to follow, and we should never avoid this. Any great of these great saints who have come as an avatar, we are bound to follow their way if we are looking for realization. But if we are being simply caught up in this in this matter of time, in all these temptations, in all these difficulties, in all these attachments, in all these desires and all these things. If we are caught up in them, we are blind and we can never see the real beauty of the truth here. Friends, Lord Krishna also has come. How he has explained to Arjuna everything. Arjuna had a great doubt. He was not even willing to fight in the neck of the moment, till Lord Krishna has shown him. When Lord Krishna gave him that moment where he could see the university, where he could feel for reflection of a moment, the timeless, then he understood, and then he started with full force, and he was very, very successful. Dear friends, the whole water of the ocean can never sink down a ship unless and until the water doesn't go into the ship. So unless and until, when we are not careful, when we open ourselves for all these dangerous pleasures which are being surrounded us here, then our own ship can sink. So to avoid our own ship for sinking, we must keep hold on these saints of the sages, on these wise men, which have taken terrific pain on their shoulder. We are bound to follow to them here. This is the truth and will remain the truth here, and it will go on like this here till the last piece of Halm has been realized. Here, friends, life should not be taken so easy. Life is a serious matter because time is counting. 1 second lost, you can no more get it back. It has gone. So you have to leave, you have to start, work very hard. Say, Krishna has given us, to make it short, a wonderful sadhana. And he himself has said, this is the best sadhana. See me in each and everything, and you will become me. Try, my friends. Try to see, not Mr. X, Y, Z. Try to see Lord Krishna. It is true, it is very, very easy, highly complicated to do it. But we must work on us if we want to achieve, if we want to find true happiness, if we want to come nearer to the eternity, nearer to the timeless, where no time counts, no watch is there is going on. It is an eternity. Then we have to work very hard. I am very thankful to my Gurudev Paramhams Omkarananda, who has made all this temple, everything so wonderfully, has given a chance to build up beautiful schools in the hills. We are grateful to him. He has taken the pain on the shoulder so that we all can grow. Adorations to him again and again. Thank you very much. Swami Omkarananda Maharaj ki jai. Now, our great Sureshji. Oh, thank you. Sureshji, please kindly.
आगे कैसे पहुंचती है नहीं जैसे ऊपर हाथ के लिए कह रहे हैं
सारी इसे ऐसे कर लेते हैं इसको ऊपर कर लेना सारा
अच्छा
फिर पीछे कर लेना
I don't want to say too much. Just a pleasure.